Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 on your Mac. Since Fallout 4 is not natively supported on Mac OS, you'll need to use alternative methods. We'll explore a few popular options that can get you into the Commonwealth. Each method has its own requirements, so consider your Mac's capabilities and internet connection for the best experience. Let's dive into the first approach. One effective way to play Fallout 4 is by using Apple's Boot Camp Assistant. This built-in utility lets you install a full version of Windows directly onto your Intel-based Mac. You'll need a valid Windows license and at least 100 gigabytes of free storage space. Boot Camp provides excellent performance, as the game runs natively on Windows, giving you a smooth gaming experience. Another fantastic option is cloud gaming, which lets you stream Fallout 4 directly to your Mac without installing it. Services like NVIDIA GeForce now host the game on powerful remote servers. You'll need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, to ensure a smooth, lag-free experience. This method avoids local installation and hardware demands. Finally, you can use virtualization software, such as Parallels Desktop, to run Windows and Fallout 4 on your Mac. This creates a virtual Windows environment within Mac OS, allowing you to switch between operating systems easily. While convenient, performance can depend heavily on your Mac's processor and RAM. Ensure your Mac has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for a decent experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.